Ndị be anyị ekene m unu ọzọ. Abịakwana m ka nsị abịa maka na okwu na-elute anyị ntị na ụbọchị nkịta na-ekwu na Matthias has been begging for forgiveness. Si gbaghara ya. Ọ na-ayọ biko si gbaghara ya right now. Mana the thing na-ewute m bụ na ndị ekwu ke ndị ụmụ bingo saa na-eso Matthias na-amara ihe. Unu ama ihe Matthias na-agabiga. Unu amaghị ihe ọ na-agabiga. Anọ m ebe a na nwa ntukwu gwa unu si unu achọzi na Matthias na ana Igbo anyị. Ebulu Matthias ebe after 11 to 12 nke mgbọsị ụka. Mbụta ebe a after Sunday service and everything gwa unu si unu achọzi na Matthias na ana Igbo anyị. Unu achọzi na unu emela that kind of mistake. Ban the available flight na gaba Abuja na ebe a ka ebi ya aga. Ndị ya kpomi ndị asem jeje chọọlụ that no nwe ihe ya eme na Abuja bụ ana Abuja is in Nigeria na akpomi. I told them, kaba na Abuja ka Matthias ga. Mana unu ekwere ege m ntị. Ndị na-akpọ m iyi na-ekwu ihe niile unu na-ekwu. I keep watching you people. Because na ihe arụ na-ekwu is putting Matthias into more problem. Ọ ihe na-ayọ biko ebe ọ nọ ndị otu are the violent n'ezi. That you guys have to show that remorseful act na okay biko na hapụrụ na onye ndu anyị that we will understand. Onye ọbụla butugodo. Many people keep posting videos ebe ọ na-asị unu gbaba ihe ọkụ, ọ na-asị unu injin na-akpọ ndị unu na-akpọ na phone, ndị otu na-akpọ ndị unu na-akpọ na phone na-abala ha mba. That you people unu ebido gbawa chọọchị ọkụ. Unu na-eso agbara nze ha n'obodo oyibo na injinia unu na ijele. The highest in ijele mego ebe ọ nọ bụ ịkpọ Sowore na phone na update ye na Sahara report. Unu fia na amoni na-achị unu ọchị. Nachi unochi jele wele nke azọlụkwa more favor n'aka Sowore wele unu na-analụ stars na Facebook ya donụkwa ebe ahụ na-eji nja unu na-eme protest na ya eje Abuja ọkwụlụ n'ụzọ ọbịa Evangelist Ebuka Obi ọkwụlụ n'ụzọ. How could you predict na Evangelist Ebuka Obi kpọrọ ya ke mana mebi ọ na-anụ nwe nọ na don Evangelist Ebuka Obi edeshon ọma na n'ụkpụrụ na-akpụrụ Matthias unu na-akụfugharị akụkọ na-ezuzu yali kita anụnwa na achọ ekwubego na Matthias na ayọ biko. The information on my decks right now prove na Matthias na achọ na video dị n'akụkụ ebe you guys will watch the video kunu nokwu ya from another reliable source because I don't post with evidence. I post with evidence and I will tell you fact ọ na ayọ biko si na si gbaghalia. So but as it stands now they are still contemplating or agbaghala Matthias or ya continue mebekwa ife ọ na-eme ka ọ na onwegokwa mgbaghala onwego nchegharị n'obi because Matthias has stepped on so many toes, not church people alone, not pastors alone, not pastors alone. Maka na Matthias nọ n'ime kịta anụnwa ndị niile o jigo post ya wee mejọ are coming out against him. Mana unu amarọ nke ahụ una na-ezuzu yali na-aba mba. I keep asking this question. Una inherit madness, kuna inherit bad attitude, kona ka nne na nna unu si wee mụọ unu. Because I want to know. Una kusuna na na behave ka ndị mmadụ. This is exactly the set of people with the same people Jesus also say, you have your father the devil. Oh, he Jesus also gwara ụdị ndị unu. So, the only thing na-ekwu there now, if they go ahead or danye now, kibido kube okwu say your one maka Matthias, I will volunteer my platform. Iyobiko say ha Matthias. I will volunteer. Ma Yobiko me so yo say happy. If he will calm down, because the thing contemplating the day if he will calm down, can this guy have a repented and cause all this engineering only engineer? Mmadụ na monitor social media posts since on Sunday. But brain unu enyeghị unu ihe. Brain unu enyeghị unu ihe. So instead of you people will lock up your Omenala that Sunday akpọrọ Matthias, unu kando no dia na-efe. Those videos unu na-eme that unu amakwa ebe ọ gago. Malụ na ihe for once. Mana biko na next video engineer njimakia wee bịa n'ụbọchị nke tata. Matthias is still our brother. On one night, we are brothers even before religion. before Omenala, before Christianity, as long as na mmadụ bụ onye Igbo, gịnị a na-aba abụgo nwanne tupu o decide ya is Igbo Christian or Igbo Omenala. Because what makes us brothers is that we must disagree for us to agree. Ekenekwa m unu ndị Igbo.
Ife na-emetụ nkịta bụ dị biko na yo since yesterday. Mana ọ na-emekwa m nwa obi na-abụ m sorie yoba ka arapịa ka ọ naba anakwuru ndị bie. Anyị nsoro yoba, anyị niile soro yoba, ma people's governor onye ọbụla anyị niile tinye ọnụ yoba, ọ nata ọ ga-anọkwa nwayọọ.
That's the problem.
Ka ọ nata
That is the problem.
ọrụ ọnụmakwa ọnụ ya again. Ezugo, biko that young man na-ayọ na nwa akpata oyi. Ifu na onwe dịrị ihe o ji before. Ifu na just no empty vessel na-eme mkpọtụ. Mana anyị ga-ebido ịma ma onwe ndị anyị ga-agwaba okwu ka agwaba ndị nọ na mgbago ndị ọ dị n'aka ka anyị consider nyegodi a benefit of doubt.
Let the problem,
Yes.
before Oji go here in Abuja, I will find way to reach out to him. I will write him this morning. Because if from misconception of information, the too bad.
Very bad.
Maybe obodo. It destroys a lot of things. So I'll take my time to explain to him. But at this point, I just beg of everyone, let us calm down. About Zulu in Matthias now. The only way forward, Obo. So far, Matthias said that he's very sorry. Don't toy with that word. Anybody who tells you sorry, can you forgive that person?
Yes.
Then,
Oh my God.
it gets to that point where all of us will show mercy to our dear brother Matthias Ezeaku.
Okay, sir.
It gets to that point because Matthias, in which had a big fault. The only thing Matthias was misled
Yes.
by the cheering up of the ignorant.
Yes.
He's still a brother. If you watch Matthias is playing a role, but don't call him. Don't attack.
Yes.
Mana, through the things Matthias name, on a put to the church also in checkmate.
Exactly.
You understand? So the only mistake I see there, to some extent, they were over pushing him, and it is wrong.
Yes.
It's very, very wrong. Matthias Matthias a family.
Yes.
And for the sake of those children, it gets to a certain point. I said I'm getting over now, but I said it gets to a point where all of us will start showing mercy. You see those people that aren't. You see those people that aren't, Gary.
Yes.
They will go cop one from their brain. They don't reason like human being. Go and mark my word. Go and mark my word. I didn't tell billionaires. I get release Rani Matthias tomorrow morning. I get release Rani Matthias.
Exactly.
But I man die get do one a phone. Your Mela explain the reason. We'll bring forth our strong reasons. Here again, they will accept.
Yes.
When we start ranting, this they are ranting. Brother, believe me, Governor Ezeaku that Matthias Ayogi they go since yesterday. Matthias has begged. You know, I get information.
Yes.
Matthias has been begging. And when I heard I felt touched because Amaro and Omaro, he don't understand. You understand?
They have left him. They have left him.
Oh no, but baby. My brother.
When I'm going to the Shalamite and I say I put to and because of no Soloni is the nona front runner of this program. For moment to me no Mando cow, Mando menana. Or if I can upon Mado Eku Soup. Ebono a Espe Hondoka. Name fake G in the Mado Wayo. Stand there Espe Ndewatibia Jumatibia Eku Mado Wayo. You understand the is not one-sided. It is balanced.
Yeah.
So for the fact that natural might that our program why I put to
because it is time. It is time. Hapu go di hand if from them man na ko eri ọnụ ha ahụ ka ha na-eji akwakutu Matthias n'ime mọ. They were there. Ha nọ na Anambra eburu Matthias bịa na airport tiga Matthias na plane. 9 policemen are joining had the same aircraft to buri alawa Abuja. They could not stand on the road ka akwụsị government.
Akwụsị government.
This mouth tro. If we came out on camera, we cautioned ndị gara aga vọpụta ozu mmadụ niile. We told them they had the wrong. Instead of them to take cognizance of that thing, they were making noise. Are you aware that 3 persons not sell now?
Oh, I'm not aware.
Those people may pre for 3 weeks now. They are still in cage. And what on your man?
Imagine.
You understand? They have been in the cage. But no now na hype we have. Go ahead. And what do you hear them? Listen to me. One of my pastor friends, they say that those people who say that olive oil, granite oil, and not should not push us to remind them that Ofa Hajinaka will also say Ugrishi, our mother So, brother, I'm not against Matthias.
Yes.
But there is only one genuinity I see in Matthias that may work. You understand? Yes. Matthias, on that mission of rescuing the noble and Ejiahu, give that credit to him on our ballot.
Yes.
Okurora, as far as I'm concerned, Okurora is not a verified Christian. Okurora is not a verified Muslim. Okurora is not a verified Edibia. Lord Zeus. If Lord Zeus joins this your program now, my brother, things will change on this page immediately. These are great people. In Africa, they may church.
Not at all.
They know the truth. If you speak to so many of these people, they will tell you that Haman Kebo is Yoku.
Yes.
You understand?
Yes.
But we must shape these things. God happy you see anybody. Imagine somebody on the phone this morning from UK. Same no watch each other video against Matthias. Now Obroma may release him Matthias. Now how give you the church?
Yeah. Imagine.
With his UK number. Careful that he here 24 hours na UK now, and my phone now on secular recording. It all for security reasons.
Yes.
You understand? Once you call me and the moment I respond hello, Obi the go record one. This thing can bring back this Ekuke now back to this country. I didn't we are about the Obule ego.
Yes. Agwa no the Shanamite agwa nyonye nke no Dubai. Na agwa yesterday na Matthias Eji will self the beginning of Eva na nyanwa self ye bido nke anango ye bido ya do worse than nke Matthias na-eme. We gwe na Dubai ebe ahụ no at the snap of finger etu a na ya no bai bia salon no. A lot of people don't understand. Brother, two wrongs can never make a right. Yes. You understand? Ndị pastor na-ebukashi azụ. Enwe some pastors ishi adịrọ mma. You understand? That is, you are welcome. Nnukwu mmadụ na-abụ na program n'ụtụtụ a. Ya ụbọchị taata ya gbara m mma. Mmecha program a na-akwụjela ụla. You are welcome, sir. Reverend, you are welcome. You are welcome. And the lawyer, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Amongst 1,000 soldiers, 800 were issues. Therefore, we will not bring them at the battlefront. Load of carrying dead corpses. You understand?
Yes.
And when some churches say, he watch the activities of the pastor, say man and then kabundoshi. But at the same time, don't fail to acknowledge those people the two genuine. Give kudos to them.
Exactly.
My brother, the host of this program, let me also tell you this. No pastor will have a good name as far as Jesus is concerned.
Yes.
No, if you're waiting for that pastor that will have a good name, all they are not nearly now. Babalola them, TB Joshua them. When they were here, they never had any good name. You get what I'm saying? So, but all the same, we must take note. The same goes to Ndi Omenala. I know some native doctors now on the phone saying that if we have no they at all, this is not culture. Man, their voices will not be heard. In my why? They don't have that high frequency on social media. And I cannot advertise for them because somebody can come in a funny way.
Yes.
And they tells you that now if better or charge big ego now the thing that gave me or guy in here over seeing a video a funding who crowd no they be on now man a no good house. You know why? He does not charge much, yet the world does not know him. You understand?
Yes,
because the evil ones they go front gonna overshadow. You get what I'm saying? So
yes.
in a baby. But before you tackle any pastor or before you tackle any dibia, with that evidence and all the very, very necessary. And one policeman, somebody in the information, so on around 1,900,000, not getting on since 4 years. So the person I go and bring evidence and don't you go gawa to Guganoro. First to give the Obia Nigeria. Or go with a statement of account by himself with actually all the substantial evidences. I now went to this policeman's inbox, a CSP. And see, Oga, it's already turned this morning. Can say I'm jigging the popular because he ain't making the internet now. Even though I'm going to adapt. The man is saying Biko. In my why would you Biko offer evidence?
Yep.
Lanya in the law court, evidence is your. Are you aware?
Let's go.
Like a video, every somebody there are any videos people send to me or not here with me. Every one guy is saying Aboma Zekineko. Now when did then that mess up on I gave it about talk on video. Only I went to school, no, or be graduate, but no, as in he cannot reason towards the finishing side of every statement. You understand?
Yes.
You know that video alone, somebody sent it to me. I cannot post it. Post to now is to get him into trouble or marry her name. You get what I'm saying?
Yes.
So, they mislead Matthias about our people. They can hype you. Hype. That's why I don't listen to them. I don't listen to them. My brother, Chargigi Matthias, currently as I speak to you now, if Obroma, none of we didn't start showing mercy to Matthias Ezeaku. My brother, 14 years imprisonment. 14 good years. I didn't make a protest. Whatever you are doing, even if you zone him a protest, how about get that place? You understand? These people, with the capacity of billions in their custody, and yet, Oboro how they deal with Matthias. Yeah, members, fans.
Yes.
If before you know about Madogo, a guy you somebody na high, you go loan private jet. Somebody na high, go loan Rolls Royce, 300 and something million naira. While you can squeeze 30 million naira or 20 million naira. My brother, 30 million naira minus 2 bags of rice. If you go this year, Reverend, they say trouble is expensive. If you can avoid it, please do.
So,
now, if Matthias na court, so ya 4 months adjournment. Nigeria can know. So ya 4 months adjournment. And you no chance who ne go batani court to be tear ya up 4 months aga. And you another 3 months. That day, judge or magistrate, let's say judge, make a omega headache, a bullion ambulance, a poor, a many transfer of for a lot. Or borrow where another country, Ghana and grow where tea. It cost 7 months. Hearing, I can't be hearing. Go and ask who. So, and on ya 1 year, he be those years, he was yet the opportunity. Gazega is even 1 year. Gazega maybe here, and one day I have a business now. How can I hype? Oh, you can't do anything so that I anger. People, beware of people sharing. The same people who were saying Hosanna in the highest, they were still the same people who turned around and said to Jesus, crucify him.
Crucify him.
People should be very, very careful and wake up. People should be very, very careful and wake up.
Can be the people's governor. the son of the great Shunammite. Dalosa. Ezeaku Global. You see, we are still Christians. If a basal Matthias, a moral one on a way Kalian to Madonna, itu on Kete, Yan and Duty. Mana, if Nemetusem Kitabu, or Dibicona, your since yesterday. If Nemetum Kitabu, Dibicona, your since yesterday. Manon, on a Mekamu Wobinabo, sorry, yoba. Karapia Kona Bana Kulundibia. I solu yoba, I need a solu yoba, my people's governor, yoba, I need a tinyon yoba. Onata organo kwa yo.
That's the problem.
That is the problem.
Or again. Ezeaku, because that young man na yone na wapatoi. If you know what the before, if you know just to know empty vessel name bottle, mana I gave you the mama when the I got agwaboku, Kawabandi no nambagondi ndi ordinaka. Can I consider good benefit of doubt? Otu obu no na ayobiko. Then he also on ayobiko ndi otu no dukwa na social media. Mande na akpọ phone. Na ase na fa ga-ebido gbaba ụlọ ụka ọkụ na fa ga-eme nke ọzọ. You see, I told these people no kunuka the expensive famaro. If you don't have 20 million, don't make trouble. Open a 20 million on account to get, don't make trouble. Maka when it comes,
don't even start.
You see, when it comes, if you're not trouble at the expensive. It is some Nandi pastor wayo. Before Matthias Ezeaku Ejiofor mia, where so many enemies. So many enemies. They in the pastor and the prophet. You see, but nyawa bidozi yanki emebezi aka onye no onkolos mobuluku mokolobia ogbemi. You see? Now, ibia no menani more ordinary. Because I know ni ona practice abro Ọmenala Igbo. Mana ka e were ya no nya. Ibia no Ọmenala enwe ndị alụrụ ani ndị aji ife ndị fake. Ibia na etiti ndị church enwere ndị alụrụ ani ndị aji ife ndị fake. Ọ dị ka mụ nwe bido go gbaba mbọ ka ma ga sanitize the Christendom. Then onye bụ onye Ọmenala should also face Ọmenala. Elue na Ọmenala, ị na-agba mbọ na Ọmenala ka sanitize Ọmenala. Ibulu ọnụ ụka na call out ndị ọjọọ nọ n'ụlọ ụka. Ibulu onye Ọmenala na call out ndị ọjọọ nọ n'Ọmenala. You cannot leave your house that is in trouble and you want to come and fix my own house. Yes. Your own house is in trouble and you are not saying anything, you are not doing anything about your own house not in trouble. And you are now telling me that my house is in trouble. Oh, yeah, can Jesus do worse? Na fanebu ogwo osisi n'anya. Bịa na asị m ka awepụ ma ifia dị m n'anya mana ihe dị n'anya nke nya bụ 2 by 2. Udo ga-adị ma ọ bụ na ndị Ọmenala ọ bụ na fa ga-erezi tax force tụgharịba ndị Ọmenala nọ n'etiti fa bụ ndị na-eme ajọ ife. Then ndị ụka erezikwa tax force ma ọ bụ na ọ dị necessary tụgharịbakwa ndị alụrụ anị ndị na-eme ajọ ife nọ n'etiti ndị ụka. I'm just saying the truth. Mmadụ ada anọ bi eji edozibụ onye ọzọ. Ọ bụ na olive oil bụ mmanụ ndị ọcha ji esi nri ọ gbasara gị enyere gị aka ịṅụọ. Ọ bụ na Ebuka Obi na-enye ndị mmadụ olive oil onyere mma gị ka onyere nwanne gị Open and you can wayo emelgi. Kwen ke di begi. Kai kwen ke di bani. Ifu kita udadi. Man open it up on ke di begi na across over to ke di bani. Ndi law for your encroachment. Law for your encroachment. So the problem with encroachment, you cannot fix your house and you want to come and fix my house. Jenu kwa ife di n'omenani n'ọdịnani ka ikwu ife di n'ụka. Mana ịnọkọtasị na you are chasing Christianity away from Igbo land. Ịṅụlụkai. Onye nye gị di mọzụ. Mmadụ na-agwa ala tọrọ ya.
Onkolos ha na-akpa.
Mmadụ na-agwa ala tọrọ ya. I don't want to say much. Ihe nka na-ekwu kịta bụ ahịhịa ọ na-ayọ. Amara ụmụ ka anyị ga-esi mmalụ ma ahịhịa olu n'obi. Ọ bụ na ahịhịa olu n'obi ka anyị malụ what to do.
Kedu onye na-aya ahịhịa ọsa iwe n'iwe biko?
Matthias sekpu anyị aya ahịhịa.
Matthias sekpu na wee na-aya ahịhịa.
The video na achọ m ya abata wa just mecha school run kita fun ị nọ live bata.
Ife melo na basis ndị na-agwa anyị nọ na ya ahịhịa to nwere the information. In fact, ha ji classified information anyị eji.
That's evidence because that guy can change.
Mana basis they need information. They need information. Onye abịara ịkpọrọ bịaruo ọ na-agba ọsọ number 1, number 2. If I do night here, instead of ndo to enwere ike put 1 or 2 things on ground ka afụ na onwere ife a na-eme ha na-agbagharị na bloggers contact ya Sahara reporters and a lot of media ever ịbịa n'ebe a nụ ife ha na-ekwu odo anya na-akwa ka ha na-ebe there is no way forward from discussion niile ha na-enwe ebe a so enwe many reason iji wee doubt na onye a na-ekwu ife a na ya eyo because onwe ife ọmụ ya eme onwe ife ọmụ ya eme my own position egbebelu ugobelu egbugo m si n'onwelu mmiri enwere ọkara akwụ na-akụzi maka omenala more than Matthias self nnatu na-akụzi ife omenala ifu na o nwere one man bụ ụzọ wee mepe chọọchị omenala more than before even Matthias a na-akpọ Chukwuka dibia heritage something the man dụkọrọ na permanent church structure ese or not na rented ever that man no and don't well even na page o nwekwa more than o nwekwa followers showkwala almost 200,000 na page if I'm not mistaken but that man no onwe na-emere onwe preaching nye in a peaceful way onwe onye ya atọgata nwe ya but the most important thing ife ọjọọ condemn onye ife ọjọọ for example keta the governor na ebe a ị na-efole ifu bụ ebe ọkpọrọ eji polisi je jide nwa dibịa riri ego mmadụ apụga ebe eji polisi jegwu pastor riri ego mmadụ in this form kere ebe ị nwere ike iplesi ya odo anya na onye awụ onye na-fight for justice not minding ebe ọ nọ ịbakwa na peji dadi from ebe a afụga ebe ọtụtụ je ndị fake pastors na radio program sef not even na radio program finish ha
apịakwa live n'abalị a 8:45 p.m.
you see finish onye ahụ on air jide nwa dibia even sef ahada akpọ nwa dibia afafọ ndị a na-ekwu nwa dibia I don't think Goskike na-efu 1 or 2 pastors ukwu katara okwu kpọọ ofu nwa dibia kwa afọ si na nke abe na nke abe oge maazị dibia a na-ekwu kịta pụtalụ na o nwere letter for the first time for the second time ọ ma na-enwe gọọmenti nọ in place for the first time ọ ma na-enwe gọọmenti nọ in place o dere letter dejelu Soludo odo no online o dere ọ kpọrọ ya open letter to Governor Soludo wee sị so na ndị amali that you can actually write to government register your na ife na-eme ịghọtago now ide letter dejelu Soludo letter because of na-eji Matthias eji ife niile na ugboro one ka ide n'alụ leta wụjọ ọka maka ire adụghị mma be anyị
oge a gara aga bọpụta ozu mmadụ n'imi were resi shrine odero leta he didn't write open Oga, I repeat this thing, I repeat this thing. Please go and do this, find this. This is practical. Go and Google psychiatric patients. Download their picture. Then download the picture of the other people. Bring the two picture like this. Look at the two pictures. Compare them together. You will see no difference.
You're right.
The Bible says that by their fruit we shall know them. Try this thing later. Once you go offline, do this thing I'm telling you. Google picture psychiatric patients. What put the picture? What put these people? Look at their forehead. They structure and the picture on that video. You will see that they are the same. The very day I did this thing, I thought there are things I don't tackle people on. I will just keep quiet and be watching. You understand? The only thing, brothers, as I said before, Matthias is a good guy. Matthias is a good guy. But he has been misled.
Exactly.
Everybody. You understand? Yes. How do we call it in the English language? Like Abia Anakorogaka. If you don't know the sound of music, but that's the sound of Igbo Hebu. That's what happened to Matthias. Matthias may be a good guy. And trust me, brother, trust me. Na hustle Matthias day. Na hustle in be that.
Yes.
You go free. Na hustle in be that, brother. Without Matthias Erosh in the pastor, Konye gonna go ya those land.
Yes.
Exactly.
So the ignorant will still buy those lands from him. And with something many in my local government. Please just take this story from me. Evangelist Buko Bibra na my local government. Go ala Ojano Church because the airport, Imo Airport, was just about 8 minutes drive. So Evangelist Buko Bibra lawyers, the people came with about 5 or 6 vehicles and on security. So Habia, one man
that back. Okay, yeah. Okay.
So Evangelist Bukobi sent people. The people are there to Onyana or Buruburu, one of OBK, Uche, Trace Fair. He's from Ngopal, or a billionaire. So Habia Nolia, Uche now drove them to that area. Say the whole of this area, maybe here, don't sell. Just tell me the price you will sell. You understand?
Yes.
Okay, with Zion Ministries now our place because Zion not there, and I know they hide them more in development.
Yes.
I am from
in
fact, it's now one of the worst local governments so far, and one of the oldest, one of the largest out of 774 local government, but no road. So we considered many things. After then, all of us started pushing. We started calling this our uncle. Those of us who can reach out to Zion, we are doing that. Did you know what happened? Our people around there from 600,000 and some of them we are now selling 2 million, 2.5 million, and people we are buying. So some youth leaders in the village, they summoned me in Ambia. Now every land they hand through me. You understand?
Yes.
They through me. So that DJ knew. Anybody who wants to sell land, the form, he must try to be sincere. I agreed. I stood up from the meeting. The next day, somebody amongst them at phone that Evangelist Bukobi. Hearing this thing from my indigenous, I was happy. My brother, I did a live video. Evangelist Bukobi because I was thinking he's the right source. Brother, in 5 days, total of 13 million something was sent to me by friends. I'm telling you before God and man, 3 out of the people sent this money, I put them like this before. Now we go put hala. And the more I made mistake, I said that the land was 600. Unto they will not sell for me 700 as an indigenous. Oh, I may be buying it for 550 or 600,000. You get what I'm saying now?
Yes.
So after everything, Mbia discovered now he has not paid any money. The Zion movement, they've not paid any kobo. Because I had to meet the main man, our uncle Joy, I say, Akwa logo or say no. Because they can't just, to my imagination, they can't just pay money without he take a list of the families in where Allah they involved. They are the communities. Yes. You understand me now?
Yes.
So the mistakes was moving on. I spoke to my dad. My dad the same ego kona Allah. So far, if I go out,
Igora, these people are like, you may buy it genuinely, but it can get one problem. Enjoy how. Or saying by the time Zion did not come there, actually, it will affect you. And they may also sue you for deceit. My brother, there can break. I forwarded those monies back. One woman amongst them dashed me 300,000 naira for being sincere. I was not being sincere. Are you hearing me? I was saving my head. Saving your head is better than being sincere.
Yes.
You understand? I was only saving my head. Till today, even the side they could be the supposed ego. Here is different people. Here even anyhow. This was an opportunity to help us see development because the state governor now they could tie road because of this person. You understand the way it is? So the point I want to make here is I did not allow oversight to kill my human conscience. I don't know if you get what I'm saying. So here they may affect. If you get to this high level of frequency on social media, people trust more. Be careful, don't mislead them. You get one problem. Because whether you like it or not, good people, once you say aha, they will say amen, they will regard it to be truth. Instead of you to talk and make mistake, emotion. You understand? So a lot of people don't really understand it. This thing has affected Matthias as I speak to you. And whether you like it or not, you are not there. His members are not there. Matthias, a full president now, as he's begging dearly now, if they give him anything to sign that he won't even come to that Omenala church again, he will sign. Are you aware?
Yes, I'm aware.
I don't want Matthias to close his Omenala church. Be there. We have freedom of worship, freedom of speech, but there is no freedom after speech. And what about in a law?
Yes.
There is freedom of speech, but there is no freedom after speech in Nigeria. So, Matthias, go back to your Omenala church. Mana ifro afa no nya ori no yabo loko no ye scrape church. Even me with you, all of us here, we cannot script Dibia and Ili Igbo. It's a lie.
Mr. Governor, you see this issue of Naga about church, Naga Bono, Naga Mad. These people are more on a Uposamu Dikanamba Kamuri. Only in a Jebi Makosi Quadu.
And Dikanabo, we are carrying Libe.
Second opposite. So many people will go down if they don't. I'm just being frank to you. Jesus, when born okata wesi, ndina esuzia, fawetaria sword, osofa gini di ifa afasi ano maga, osofa no de mma. Onye na enwere ya, nya je le property ka o we gote one. Mgbe afọ bụ mma agha do the highest. Mana kita enwego pump action nwe AK-47 nwe si license. So ọ bụ na kita na ife Jesus ya agwafa bụ jenu weta AK-47. Ọ gwafa onye na-enwero AK-47 nya le property wele ego eji egote AK-47 maka na onwe mgbe ọ ga-elu enwe need for it.
Exactly.
Igote ime license debe no no bi eche mmadụ na ukwu ada ejie. Iwe license ya debe. What are they talking? Onye na-eje bịa maka o si kwado unu na-agba ọla ebe niile ọkụ rere. Enwe ndị ala na omenala, enwe ndị ala na Christianity. That is it. So Adam egezi ma ihe a na-ekwugheri na ihe nsokwuzi ekwu kịta bụ anyị tụọ alụ ka anyị malụ ka a ga-esi mee otu ọ na-ayọ biko, otu ọ na-esekpugharị na-edinegharị na-ayọ biko ka ama ma ga-enyere ya aka yọba ndị okwu dị n'aka ka emeri ya ebele rapịa ka ọ na-ejepụ ndị bịa.
Sa iwe n'obodo anyị bi na ihe obodo a ji dị mma, ihe Europe ji dị mma. Matthias nwere sponsors all over the world ndị na-akwado ya na-efe ndịrị ego ha na nwunye ya. O ji feel ya na onwego, he's now the speaker and mouthpiece of Igbo people. Okay, he has people o feel ma ihe na-asụ okpokpo English. Okay, ebe a ihe obodo anyị bi n'ime ya ji dị mma n'anya bụ na ada asị police biko ma commit a crime. Ọnwụ na Matthias a hate from Matthias. Oh no, them na akakpo ihe Matthias na akakpo, my own blood brother. I will still be sounding the way I'm sounding because my war near secretly to stop oju ihe for were. Okay, if he committed any crime and he is found guilty of the crime, all Ebuka Obi is confirmed that Ebuka Obi may arrest. Let Ndi Zion Ebuka Obi take him to court. Koje court, Hajeche court, onye meriri bia, you pour the damages involved. That is the only way he will shut up. If all the young people are biko, one na aputakwa, organe amazing direct speech.
This is mother out of ignorance. On this one, let us take it that he acted out of ignorance.
That is not ignorance in the law.
You continue.
Okay, sir, sorry.
You will continue. Can we also yesterday? Can we also? Ebuka Obi. We may be surprised. Ebuka Obi Amaro when Matthias was arrested.
Exactly.
It's possible.
We may be surprised. We may be surprised. Now, Ebuka Obi information that Matthias has been arrested. Don't mind the Indian Ebuya Sahara Desert. Ma India ni na koyeri.
Sahara reporters who know Ijele wonye gbari anya data news doc. Ijele buriye no toto nya no pogocho wore na phone.
So the truth about the matter, he got shocked. Now this young man, Ebuka Obi, do you know Ndi Matthias is a local job? Just a local job, believe. Nobule ban me for 2 SME. Ebe ono kita petition ga bia go n'isi enwegi ike ilugo 25. Onye obuna ebulu petition nke na agba na eje.
Exactly.
But do you still need petition? Ebe I drag egbe with police involved. Government ga like kwa na ifu ndi ni na drag egbe with police. Government ga like kwa na ifu all those youths not na me gara that day bia imi arrest. Kiwe man okwu aboko no umuaka okwu aboko no
they can still go and arrest him.
And that is from the Sharamite. This is Emana another thing meeting na KC Matthias here. Emana in southeast Keda. Tension not on the ground. And I don't think the government ya like have any other people with that similar threat. Like if I will on the ground, I don't think the government ya like it condone any group again, either a group again, act in such manner. Because if the way Matthias is if the way Matthias is here, the phone Matthias na chop, you raise another group of monsters nightmare. Yes, nightmare because every may no to the point that no will power in so the situation na southeast is so tense and so sensitive now. No one actually you have to very very careful. That is another area how they disregard.
Yes. If that's your observation,
yes,
I will surprise you to tell you that now DSS were more observations than you on that issue. That security threat, the government is on it. More on yama, no onye blues of Oburia.
Yes.
Exactly.
Onye blues of Oburia. Didn't parents. Wives, Makandi go wine because they will stupidly come in and the law. Oh, it's a no, but when I is talking, any day, even the comment section, as you go, your comment section, yeah, your comment section. And I get through your comment section.
Exactly.
Yes.
Law enforcement agents, detectives, I get through your comment section.
mana dadi mụma na-efi na security by aha alụ ọrụ ọfụma ime obodo a nọ nwere secret intelligence obodo a nọ nwere secret intelligence the whole Facebook akaụntụ niile nwelu ya hafụ ha Facebook akaụntụ ga ahụ n'onwelu power ị nwere ike influence a group of people ha ncha niile nwere intelligence na monitor Matthias aka nọ na behind bars a long time ago and ọbụlọ mmadụ ya bịa ọbụlọ individual to ka mụ na ya bịa na study all government ya pick ihe ha nwere secret intelligence
no na same environment na he would have been arrested since
a long time ago obodo a ịnọkata ikwuo anything do insightful Chineke wee chi ime ife iwe kwuo ihe na social media ebe eji vidio o iwe dee ya ede ebe apụrụ ife ahapụ ịtacha afụ n'obodo ya asị ọkụnụ ịtacha afụ n'obodo a ya asị ọkụnụ
Ezugo, that intelligence in a whoever he know, all the on na Nigeria now, you will not understand. All the on na Nigeria now. So when did it? Oh, I can't you see it? On a be a chamadu who are here. Threatening fire and brimstone. Let them come up with their threat.
Ijuwa.
Ijuwa never. Come up when King wait a what Ijuwa. Oh.
Okay.
Oh, funny. I enjoyed your wisdom, sir. Thank you. Okay, thank you for the wisdom. The governor himself, but who goes, who Ezugo. I'm not about that year. I have first time of if you have seen that now, but I'm live.
Governor come for single water for governor. The powerful man.
One man squad.
Last him, I can't get a governor. I can't be, but I'm going to get a governor. Oh, to let us come on the app. Don't want to send them number because I'm not
Thank you, Choro.
Your phone number. Your phone number,
Okay, imagine my phone number. Where send the other get the account number.
It's the phone number. Where's the account number? On a serious note, onye mmibe anyị eji wee toye ọfụma ịghọtana aplanụrụ na mbịaruo be anyị na Disemba na ife ọsọ ya nyata ekie na mma eloketiriri the people's governor ebe ọhụrụ nọ na Chineke mee ebere n'ụtụtụ a ekweghị okwu apịa na program wete Chukwu daalụ ịghọtago wete Chukwu daalụ
I watch everybody.
I will seriously.
I'm a day to page mother name of mana. Ndetu ya.
Yes.
Email video nyere joy. I am some back comment here since I know that if I comment it will help the person.
Yes.
I don't in charge, Mr. Governor Ezeaku's page. I don't know in charge.
It did the one before upon Namanaga aboard the number. They've never written my name.
But I've gone my life section before. I have been there. Just tell me if anybody who tells me to appear on his live section, I will be there. He seems share your video. I will share it. So far, no
yes.
For what is right. Let me tell you, what we are doing, we are not doing it for ourselves. You are not doing it to make money. You are doing it for the next generation.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So it's not just for now. And do you know why? Let me give you one word of encouragement. Do you know why so many people will come and attack you even when you are saying the truth? They are so aggressive that why must you be where you are? The number one problem you have with everybody around you now, why are you there you are now? Why would you get there? So they want to be you, but unfortunately the structure of your face and their own is not the same thing. Continue what you are doing. If I see that to promote you, I will never fail under this life.
I just want to make.
I'm busy because governor, because the number because
Wow. You need to say his people.
I'm saying the area account number.
Okay.
Already 10 million. Already 10 million.
So the governor and the difference pipe follow because it's obvious na Matthias to misled. It is very clear. Hapuzie maka meeting ụmụnna ha na-eje eme na a lot of all these pages. Go ma somebody anyị makwa na Abuja filuru n'ogolu na dị okwu nọrọ na ọnọkwa Abuja ọnọ nso ebe Matthias nọ but onweghị ibe ọ ya emewu na-ebido ọpụta na Facebook ọbịa na Facebook kpọkọnye ụmụnna anyị na-aghọwu ha na Facebook. It is very clear.
Bezugo. Anybody if you pretend of Matthias n'anya ji Matthias agbara views for Facebook money, they don't love him. Because all love from Matthias, they would have been telling him the truth, not now, before now. Okay, like we were telling him all this while, Hasin Aibo Maturu Jesus. Do you understand?
Yes.
Because each area left or right, you cannot love somebody so much that you are in the country where the person was arrested and in the city. You've not seen him one-on-one. You've not made any physical attempt to go and see him, at least to visit. On the right to go and visit.
Yes.
So he has been deceived enough and given hope no where the people behind him. A lot of them gave him this false hope. Onyebusowore, if I may ask. So whether it's like a young person activist who has contested for election, he became popular. That was
please let the problem.
Yeah.
Before only the go here in Abuja, I will find a way to reach out to him. I will write him this morning. Because if from misconception of information, the too bad.
Very bad.
Only maybe obodo. It destroys a lot of things. So I'll take my time to explain to him. But at this point, I just beg of everyone, let us calm down. About Zulu in Matthias now. The only way forward, so far Matthias said that he's very sorry. Don't toy with that word. Anybody who tells you sorry, can you forgive that person?
Yes.
Sorry is a very powerful.
Bring Sister Chichi in. She wants to come in.
Okay. I want to take my leave now, my brother. God bless you. Thank you.
The Shadamites, thank you very much. I am honored to have you in my program today. Today, a very good day. Nature program, Jela West Bola Chief Elie, Ogo Sinify Nemenaga.
My number, right? My WhatsApp number. Are you serious? WhatsApp number gone on our page. In WhatsApp number on our page.
Yes.
Okay, I will inbox you after this program. I'm making boss immediately now.
Okay,
all right. All right, sir.
Inbox or you can send them $1.
Exactly. Governor, don't worry. That problem. That one is not a problem.
In fact, like you get check in a page. But I help method you check in your WhatsApp on the page. Then the account number give with your phone number. You are too big because you are doing a good job. You are doing a good job. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
I salute.
Thank you.